And tonight we're hearing from a local infectious disease specialist about the monkeypox outbreak. This after the World Health Organization declared the virus a global health emergency. He's breaking down what that means for us here in Florida moving forward. Our Steve King joins us from Palm Beach County with more on that declaration and new details about the spread of monkeypox here in Florida.
Dr. Larry Bush says more tools could be coming to Florida to help in the fight against the spread of monkeypox after the World Health Organization declared the virus a global health emergency. He says this comes at the perfect time as he expects monkeypox to continue to spread in our state. Right now in Florida, there are 264 total cases of monkeypox, including 2 children, with the highest concentration of cases in Broward County. Palm Beach County has 8 cases, and there are no other cases in our area right now. But across the world, the number is climbing, approaching 17,000 cases. Dr. Larry Bush says the World Health Organization director made the decision to designate monkeypox as a global health crisis to hopefully get more local and national governments to step up the fight against the infection.
The purpose of it is to step up vaccine availability, testing availability, and if there's an antiviral medication available for those who are diagnosed. So it's really a political and economic play to make the politics of the situation, both locally and worldwide, put pressure on the countries.
Right now, there are 25,000 doses of the vaccine in Florida, and more would have to come from the federal government. Also, right now, people have to get tested through doctors' offices, hospitals, and commercial labs. He says global emergency or no global emergency, Floridians need to protect themselves.
This is, much more controllable, particularly if people are aware of it and those who have lesions go and get tested to make sure they don't have monkeypox so that they can quarantine themselves from infecting others.
While the Florida Department of Health says most of the cases are among men who have sex with men, Dr. Bush says everyone in our state is at risk of contracting the virus.
To think that this isn't going to cross all boundaries of gender, sexuality, age, no matter who you are or where you are or what you are, would be a little bit naive and short-sighted and dangerous.
And right now we have more information about the spread of monkeypox on our website, WPBF.com. Reporting in Palm Beach County, Steve King, WPBF 25 News.